Concept 2, finding the least squares line. So this is where you're going to be using your graphing calculator, and you're going to turn it on, and then you're going to click or hit the stat button. Okay, that's kind of in the very center of it, but it'll say stat, and then it'll pull up a new list of options, and the very first one it'll pull up is edit. Okay, so if you hit stat and then edit, it will give you a list of tables. Okay, so you can have a number of different tables. You can put in more than just 2 values. You could have 8 values or however many you want. But you're going to go through and you are going to enter your data. Okay, you're going to enter your variables. Now L1 should be your independent variable, so your x value, and then L2, or if you for whatever reason had something else and you were using L3, line 3 or whatever, you could use that, but you'd have to go in and you'd have to change some settings. So I recommend just always using L1 and L2 for your x and y values. Okay, once you've got your data filled in, you're going to go back to the stat button, hit the right arrow to get to the calc options, or the calculator options, and then you're going to go down until you get to the lin reg ax plus b, or the linear regression for a ax plus b, or a slope intercept form equation. Okay. If you hit enter, that'll pop up on the front of your calculator screen. You hit enter again, and you'll be given values for your a, b, r squared, and r. Okay, and those values are: a is the slope. Don't ask me why they didn't use m, but they used a. So a is going to be your slope, b is your y-intercept, r squared is the square of the residuals, okay, and then r is your correlation coefficient. Okay, that's what's going to tell you how well this correlates, how well your trend line correlates to your data, and whether it's a positive or negative slope.